Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling snapshots in the Minecraft launcher so you can pick a snapshot build. Once done, make a full backup of your world folder and the launcher profile because snapshots can corrupt saves. Make sure Java and RAM allocation match the snapshot requirements. Mismatched Java often causes crashes. You're doing this to protect progress and ensure the client runs the experimental code. Now switch the profile to the desired snapshot and prepare to launch for the first time. You launch the snapshot build to let Minecraft generate updated game files and folders. This exposes compatibility issues early. If you use mods, switch to a clean profile or update each mod and forge /fabric loader to a compatible snapshot version. Once you've attempted to load, open logs in the launcher or the Minecraft /logs folder to find exact crash traces. Make changes, remove incompatible packs, and relaunch until the game reaches the title screen successfully. You now open your world and test core systems, redstone, mobs, terrain generation, and chunk loading to detect corruption early. If you see errors or missing blocks, stop, restore the backup you made, and reproduce the issue on a copy to collect logs and screenshots. Make sure to report reproducible bugs to the launcher or Mojang with log files. If crashes persist, create a clean profile and add content back one item at a time to identify the culprit. This single troubleshooting step saves hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.